What if I told you that you can get your PRC ID quickly and hassle-free? What's up mga kapantayo? I'm Architect Robert Marticio. Welcome to Marticio Architect Talks. In this video, I'll guide you to the process of registering for your PRC ID through the PRC LERIS system. First, sign into the PRC LERIS account, read the notice carefully, and then click Select Transaction tab. Choose Initial Registration of Passers. Next, enter your profession and NOA or Notice of Admission number, and then click Proceed. Select your preferred PRC Regional Offices where you would like to claim your PRC ID. After that, choose your preferred appointment date if available and click Proceed. To complete your transaction, select your preferred payment option and pay the applicable fees. Once payment is confirmed, print your registration form and electronic official receipt or EOR, then wait for your scheduled appointment date. On the day of your appointment, don't forget to bring the following. These are the Notice of Admission or the NOA, printed registration form, printed EOR, and sometimes the PRC offices may require additional details, so always check the latest announcement and guidelines from the PRC regarding the issuance and claiming of the PRC IDs.
Mainit kasi 1 to 2 PM yung schedule ko. Thank you so much, Lord. I got my PRC ID here in Santa Rosa, Robinson. So tapos na.
That's it mga pantayo. Thank you for watching and congratulations on reaching another milestone in your professional journey.